When you scroll down your LinkedIn these days, you get to see so many examples of websites, applications, automation being built on Lovable, Bolt, N8N, whatever the case may be. I've lost count. You probably are frustrated, confused, not sure what is what, which is what. So I've been in the trenches for the past month, really trying to get a feel for what I can do. We run a product studio and we need to basically every week now test new apps and make sure that we pick the best one so we can offer distinguished and excellent services to all of our clients. So on Lovable, I gave it the screen of booking.com and then also gave it this design, which I found on Dribbble. Basically, I told it, I would like for you to design the front end of booking.com homepage and make it exactly the same as the other image I attached. So that's the output you're getting on Lovable. The output I got from Bolt is actually Bolt's, based on what I'm seeing, gave me a much better one-shot effect, wow moment. So these platforms, as I said, are customized and built for the purpose of give you the closest output to what you have in mind, because again, it's a pre-built environment. So this is the Bolt. I gave it the same prompt, but it's a bit more advanced, to be honest, because I asked it to do the listing too. So I wanted to see what it does. And compared to Lovable, so as you can see, this is all these components are part of what Lovable offers to you. So they are probably using Tailwind library or the likes of Tailwind that is very popular, everyone using it. And this way they can give you a good enough experience to start with, but tweaking it, I find very frustrating. As soon as you want to add nuances to the experience, then that sort of becomes a headache. My tool stack is Windsurf, similar to Cursor. I'm using Claude Sonnet 3.7, which is the best out there for programming. And my setup is CSS. I have a main.js JavaScript file and an index, pretty like a simple project. I have like more complex project here too. And so basically I had to specify what font I want, what icon library, what interface library I want. And then for example, getting the infinite scroll, getting the pagination, getting the footer right is actually took quite a while, because again, you're asking a senior programmer rather than going to a website builder with pre-made packages. That's what Bolt and Lovable are. Took me 3 hours to get to this versus 10 minutes. Which one is better? In the long term, obviously this one, because I have control over everything. I can set up a GitHub, I can branch out, I can have a version control, which is very, very needed for long, like big projects. I can basically change libraries on the fly. I cannot do it here. You have to use whatever they are offering, right?